Hello, today we're going to talk about order of operations. Okay, order of operations is, well, it's the order that we do things within a math problem. So first we start with parentheses, P for parentheses, or brackets, Okay, and then we do exponents, and we like this, or like 4 to the third, or maybe 10 to the fifth. And then we do multiplication and division, whichever comes first. So we go left to right. And I'll talk about that more in our examples. And then we do addition and subtraction, left to right, whichever comes first. And so some people talk about this and ask you to remember PEMDAS. PEMDAS is how you remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction in the same step. PEMDAS. Okay? So, let's look at this example. So we need to remember PEMDAS, and these go together. So first parentheses. Are there any parentheses? No. Then exponents. Yes, right here. 2 to the third, that's 2 times 2 times 2. This is 4, and this is 8. So that's why they wrote 8 minus 8 divided by 4 times 2 plus 7. So next we do multiplication and division from left to right. So from left to right, this comes first. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we write 8 minus 2 times 2 plus 7. So now we're still on multiplication and division. And so we do 2 times 2. So we get 8 minus 4 plus 7. And then we just do addition and subtraction from left to right. So we go left to right. So 8 minus 4 is 4, plus 7, 11. Let's look at a problem from our worksheet. Let's look at number 1. We have 63 minus 3 divided by 15 plus 2 to the second power. So we need to remember PEMDAS. So first, parentheses. So we're going to do 63 minus 3 is 60. And then we're going to write divide by 15 plus 2 to the second. Then we're going to do exponents. So we're going to get 60 divided by 15 plus 2 to the second 2 times 2 equals 4, so we're going to get 4. It's very important that we don't do anything with the rest of the problem until we've done the exponents. Now we're going to do multiplication and division. So we're going to do that. So we're going to get, it's going to be 4, and then we're going to bring down plus 4, and that equals 8. Because we do addition and subtraction last. Okay, let's look at number 2. 4 times 3 minus 6 to the second plus 4. So, PEMDAS So first, we do parentheses. But we have 1, 2, 3 operations inside the parentheses. So we have to follow order of operations inside the parentheses as well. So inside, we're going to do this first, because exponents comes before multiplication and division. So we're going to get 4 times 3 minus 6 squared is 36 plus 4. And then we've got times and we've got subtract. We're going to do this first because multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. So we're going to get 12 minus 36 plus 4. And then we're down to just addition and subtraction, left to right, left to right. So we're going to get 12 minus 36. We're going to get negative 24 plus 4, because we're bringing this down and we're bringing that down. And that is going to be negative 20. So our final answer is negative 20. Let's do number 3. 2 times the quantity of 8 plus 4 minus 3 squared, 3 to the second power. PEMDAS. So we're going to get 2 times, and we're going to do 12 minus 3 squared, because we're going to do this and this first. Now we're going to do this and this, and we're going to get 2 times 12 minus 9. And now we're going to do multiplication and division. So we're going to get 24 minus 9. And lastly, we're going to do addition and subtraction. And we're going to get equals 15. Let's do number 5. We have the quantity of 11 minus 4 squared plus 14 divided by 7. So we get PEMDAS. So we're going to do parentheses first. So we're going to get 11 minus 4 is 7 squared plus 2. Now we're going to do exponents. So we're going to get 49 plus 2. There is no multiplication and division. So now we're going to do addition and subtraction. We're going to get equals 51. Let's take a look at number 8. So we have 64 minus 4 squared divided by 1 plus 2 PEMDAS. So first we're going to do parentheses. But here we need to do exponents before subtraction. Number 1, number 2. So we're going to get 64 minus 16 divided by 3. And this is going to be 64 minus 20 is 44. So this is 48 divided by 3. Oops. And so that equals, and so we did parentheses again first. And so then 48 divided by 3 is, I don't know, 48 divided by 3, 1, 3, 1, 8, oh, 16. 16. Okay, and that's our final answer. Okay, go ahead and finish the rest of the worksheet on your own. Good job.